guys, it's Harrison here. Yes, I know tornado sirens are going off. Look at this, it's completely sunny. Why are they doing this? This happened last month, guys. When the Blue Angels were going by. It's on my other channel, HH. Probably go subscribe to that. Hear it, guys? I'll be quiet so you guys can hear it. Like, you guys hear that? Yeah, I think it stopped. I heard they were testing it today. I'll get back to you if they go off again, guys. Peace out. So I'm editing this. Guys, do you hear that? It's coming back. It's coming back, guys. I think they're just testing it. Yeah, they're testing. I think we're almost done. Stopped. Guys, it stopped. Anyways, I guess we're just testing. Peace out.